Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Accounting Software tutorial. Today we will learn about item maintenance. Item maintenance provides the functionality to manage and keep track of items. Feel free to pause the video and ask questions. So now let's get started. First of all, from the home page, we go through the navigation bar, and look for Maintenance, Item Maintenance. Then, we have to set the item code. Please keep in mind that the item code must be unique and cannot be changed. The system provides a way to self-fill in the item code by using the prefix running number. We also have another video tutorial about the prefix and running number. Please check with us. Then, enter the item name and choose the item group. After that, the alternate means different or the second item code for the particular item. As well for supplier code, mean different or special codes for suppliers. The next is checkboxes. Every checkbox has its own purpose. Tick is yes, or else leave it blank. The NLA means not longer available. Next, promotion tags are adding a tag in front of the item name to remind the promoter that this item is now having a special promotion. The next is choosing the supplier for the item. So far so good? Alright, then we should continue. Following we have UOM, which means unit of measurement. The base UOM is requested and compulsory. First, we need to choose the suitable UOM and selling price. Then, the maximum and minimum selling prices are simply the lowest and highest price to offer and discount. The maximum purchase price is set at a limit price when purchasing in order to avoid higher expenses. Then comes the interesting part. Our system allows users to set a multi-UOM in the same items to have different package prices and marketing strategies in different situations. For example, selling A4 paper. It has many ways to pack with. It could sell in a pack, a box, or even a pallet to sell at a worthwhile price. The child item code is a special code for multi-UOM for easy scanning or type in. Even users are allowed to sell in different marketplaces like e-commerce in Shopee, Lazada, or Exhibition, with different marketplace item codes. Let me show you how it works quickly. It's easy, right? Now take a breath and move on to the next part. The next step is quantity setting. The minimum and maximum item levels are the lowest and highest inventory levels before the alert. Reorder quantity is how much to reorder when purchasing. Advisable stock keeping quantity is a suggested stock quantity to hold and try to avoid too much stock being wasted. Then user defined is what users are allowed to redefine the item based on their own respect and point of view. The more users have redefined, the more criteria let users sort and are easy to categorize and search for. The system has provided plenty of users-defined spaces for users to analyze and remark. Next, memo is just an item description with unlimited spaces to describe. Users are encouraged to put everything about the item description or explanation for further understanding. Last but not least, our system is able to upload pictures of the item. But please follows the rules and format given. It's done for adding items. Save if everything is alright. After saving, the system will redirect us to the listing page. We can search for the item we just had. The system also has the functionality to perform some basic actions by clicking the three dots. Edit is editing the info of the item. Print barcode label is to print the item barcode from the item code. On hand by location is to check how many stocks hold in inventory by branch, or store location. Total on hand will combine all on hand inventory and give a number instantly. View and demand photo will allow users to view and edit. Duplicate is consignment is duplicating of the same item and labeled and used as a consignment. Delete is deleting the item. It's done. Please don't hesitate to reach us if you have any questions. That's all for today. Thank you for your watching.